guys, welcome to our new video from Trinity Solutions. Hope you're doing well today. I'm gonna show you how to withdraw your payment to your local bank, or how to withdraw money to your local bank account from Upwork. So where's my Upwork profile? Let's see. So they wanna verify my device and my account. So they're asking, is this you? My two authentication is on. For example, if someone tries to hack your account or tries to open your account or log in, so it's a very secure process. You can on your two authentication, that will be very secure to your account. So I have on it, and they're trying to verify me, like is this you? Of course it's me. Are you trying to access your Upwork setting? And to make sure it's you, we have sent a prompt to your Upwork app on your mobile device. You must be signed into the app to receive the prompt. Okay, great. So you have to install your Upwork on your mobile device. So if it is login, you have to click that one. And my mobile, they're asking me, trying to access your settings. Yes. So you'll see there, cancel or confirm. If it is you, then confirm. If it is not you, then cancel. So of course me, I should press confirm. So see, it will come automatically. Okay, now they're asking for password. So I should enter my password. There we go. Yep. So get paid. So I'm gonna show you how to transfer your balance, available balance, to your local bank, to your other payment method. So here is your other payment method. You can select Payoneer, you can select to direct local bank, or if you are from other countries like PayPal, or direct to your bank wire transfer, everything possible. But I have Payoneer and 3 bank accounts, so I'm gonna transfer to my local bank. So they'll charge 99 cents withdrawal fee per payment. Other bank fees may apply, but to be honest, I don't have other fees except this. But exchange rate a little bit low, but it's still okay, because if you transfer to Payoneer, they'll charge you $2, then 2.50 cent. So total $4.5. I mean almost $5. If you calculate, if you minus that 4.5 and calculate with your exchange rate, almost similar. That's why I prefer this one. Okay guys, thank you so much. It's done. Great. So my transfer has done, and I will get the money into my account today, after, as it is Wednesday, no holiday. So of course I'm gonna get after 3 to 4 p.m. or after 2 p.m. or mostly tomorrow before 12 into my local bank account. I hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and more updates, so that it inspire me and help me, or how do I say, inspire me to make more videos for you guys. And if you have any questions or you want to know other topics, Fiverr, Upwork, or other withdrawal system, or how to work on Upwork, any questions, so I can make videos on it. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. Love you guys. Have a good day.